3, 2, 1, go!
That's exactly what she did yesterday. She was kind of mad.
What would do that?
She's got the army crawl down.
You're gonna put her army pants on.
I think she's army pants.
She needs her army pants.
Roll over, baby.
Roll over.
Come on. Show them how you do it.
She wants to, right?
Roll over that way.
Hey, Tracy.
I think she needs to have her little feet out.
She didn't last time.
Yeah, we just put her in there like this and she just rolled.
Come on, little Reese, tuck and roll.
Come on, baby girl.
Hot in this